Making videos on the go is a great way to make content and make sure that you are consistent. I'm sat down in my office today, I've shaved my face to look like a smooth baby and it looks weird, but beyond that, let's talk about how to make YouTube videos on your mobile phone. Some of you may have seen on this channel over the years I have recorded outside. In fact, for a period of time I really liked doing it, walking to work, using that 2 to 3 minutes of time walking from my house to my office to make quick videos. I've got an entire YouTube channel built off the back of that, my Crypto Rookie channel, which I grew to nearly 7,000 subscribers in just 2 to 3 months, pure and simply recorded off this phone here. And here's some simple basics. Know where to look first. Now this, yeah, that's my missus and she's gonna hate me because she's in a YouTube video again. This right here, there, is the hole on an iPhone. Now, if you have a look at your smartphone, there will be other similar camera holes, or if you've got one of those newest ones, it's more likely to be at the top and they've just hidden it in general. That is where you need to look, because if you're not looking at that bit, it looks like this right here. See here, I'm not looking at the lens, and it's really annoying. I'm still making a video, but I'm not engaging, because this is much more engaging than this, and I'm talking and I'm not quite sure. You aim for the hole on the camera, and that makes it so much better. Also, you need to pay attention to the quality. If you are selfieing, so using the front-facing camera, it's more likely to be a lower quality than the back-facing camera of any smartphone. If you can record that way, and you are confident recording this way with the main camera towards you, you might get a better quality. But most people, if they're on their own, will be using the front-facing camera. I'll be honest, I used to use cameras that was like 1, 2, 3 megabit cameras. I don't think that's going to be an issue, right? These nowadays are like 5, 6, 8 megabit pixel cameras, so you should be fine. Stable! There is nothing more annoying than bouncy, shaky footage, and you'll be amazed that that might look stable, but over time, you'll be amazed how many little hand movements are there as they jolt. This can be simple. If you're indoors recording on your mobile, then prop it up against something. Some books, whatever it needs to be. I have one of these, right? This is a little mini tripod. In fact, I got it from vidIQ. All the friends at vidIQ. If you like vidIQ, by the way, they've got a fantastic plugin that can help you with your SEO, your titles, your descriptions, and even video ideas. There's a link in the description down below. Now, this tripod has helped me so much, and it's easily pocket sized, so it doesn't have to be huge, and I don't think you can buy these, but this is just an example. Get a little tripod, right? It's a little selfie stick with little prongs, right? I mainly use it like this, and then I clip my phone into it, and now, because there's a distance between my hand and the phone, it's not so exaggerated when I move it, right? And then I can keep it there and keep it moving and record as much as I want. I can also flip it around, line it up with a mirror, hello, and then I know what's on screen is what I am recording. Alternatively, obviously, if it's a tripod, you can put it down, it's there. That way it's so much more stable, it's so much more enjoyable. You can put it down on places if you're out and about, on brick walls or bookshelves on top of cars, or if you're in a hotel room, you can, yeah, bedside cabinet, that kind of thing. The one thing you do have to consider when using a mobile phone is they are very good at picking up sound, which could also be a problem. So if you're out and about and you're walking on the hills and the dales of Yorkshire in the wind, you could struggle against audio quality issues as the sound buffers into the bottom of the phone and, yeah, records every bit of sound. What I advise to you is, when you're doing it, make sure that you're considering slightly quieter places. Don't vlog next to a road. Don't try and do with it in a thunderstorm. Don't sit in a car with the engine blaring. Consider little nooks and crannies. I went on a walk making a PewDiePie video around about 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago, and it was very windy, but I kept hopping into little bits that were sheltered, so therefore I could make a video, still enjoy the wonderful views, people get the dynamic feel of me being outside, but they weren't getting all of the air buffered into it. You can also get attached mics, whether they happen to be lapel mics that run via Bluetooth to your phone, and then that way all you have to do is focus on talking here. In fact, you can then move your phone away for longer shots, and they can still hear you with good quality. Or I've got one of those kind of boom mics that you plug in that come out here. I've explained this on one of my YouTube videos about equipment. I'll link it at the end of the video or in the description down below. Don't run away just yet. Now that you've got the shake sorted and the sound sorted, you've got a very powerful camera. I can't explain enough. I used to make YouTube videos on 2 megapixel cameras. They were crap. With shaky cameras and tinny audio, these are more powerful than the computers that put man on the moon. And they're effectively audio devices that you talk to every day. So this isn't going to be a problem for you. Why a phone over a DSLR? Yes, a DSLR can give you many more options. It can slow motion, it can make you professional. This is recording on a DSLR. But you can't really put a DSLR in your pocket, can you? If you're walking around at a trade station with a camera, it looks a bit sus. Or it gives a reason for people to go, why are you carrying a camera, or what other equipment can I steal off of you, right? It's not that mobile, but this, I can put in any pocket. I can take it off the tripod, I can, once again, it doesn't have to be on a tripod, I could stick it on a window, I could get one of those suction cup things. I'm a bit too old to have one of those pop out things. I don't understand how they, you know what I mean, those things. They annoy me because I try and slide it in my pocket and I'm old. Once again, you're talking to a man that accidentally shaved himself almost baby bum smooth. So a pocket socket thingy on the back of his phone's a bit too advanced for him. Also, this versus a DSLR camera. A DSLR camera is very good if you're in a static environment that you can control. This does Reels and TikToks and shorts so much easier. Otherwise I have to turn the camera up on its side or crop the video and it's just weird. This does it natively. This does it instantly. You can make a TikTok, an Instagram reel, a Facebook short in literally 30 seconds to a minute, upload it immediately. If you're using a DSLR camera, you have to record it, you have to switch it, you have to edit it, you have to take it off the card and upload it. This is so much faster. And in a world where digital content is the most important, firing them out so quickly, mobile phone is best. Now, to make the most out of your YouTube videos on mobile phone, you do need to know how to upload it properly in high quality. Continue over to this video here, and that will help you with it every step of the way.